That's a big mouthful, buddy. You ate a whole chicken nugget in one bite. Whoa, you just swallowed it.
Peanut.
What are you eating?
Peanut.
Chicken nuggets? Say chicken nuggets. Say thanks, Mommy. They're yummy.
Mommy.
Don't eat the whole bite. Oh my God, don't eat the whole thing. Just take a bite from it. Oh. Why does it make you upset? What's the matter, buddy? Have a drink of water.